I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can download and install Instagram on your iPhone. Alright, so the process is pretty simple, so the video is gonna be short, so I'm gonna get straight to the point. First step, you want to go to App Store. If you do not know, in iPhone, if you want to download any app, you have to go to App Store. Alright, where it says search at the bottom, click on search, and at the top there is going to be a search bar. Click on the search bar and write INSTAGRAM. After you search for Instagram, you can see Instagram. Right beside Instagram, there's going to be a get icon or a cloud looking icon like this. You want to click on the cloud looking icon or the get icon, alright? Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to verify your Apple ID. So you need to do that using your face verification or by typing the password of your Apple ID. After you do that, it's going to start to download over here just like this. In my case, my internet is fast. That's why it's downloading fast and it's already installed. Once it's installed, you can click on open to open it, or you can also see the logo outside on your home screen. You can click on it to open it, alright? And if it is not downloading somehow, then your phone might not have enough space to download Instagram, or your internet connection is slow, alright? So make sure to check your internet connection. If it is slow, it's not going to download. And if you don't have storage to store Instagram, it is not going to download as well, alright? So make sure to check if you have sufficient storage and the internet is fast, and it should work. So that's how you guys can download and install Instagram on your iPhones.